Hi, welcome to Alice Caroline. Super exciting today to be launching our new Liberty London Appliqué store for the new seasons and the London collection, which is absolutely gorgeous new collection from Liberty. So we had lots of requests when we launched our Liberty Advent calendar one for a non-season specific one. So we designed this one, and because I love at the front of the store they have all the flowers, we thought we'd make it more about the flowers and more kind of spring summer vibes. So this is such fun to make. Takes quite a long time, but you just keep going, and it's absolutely beautiful result. So just to show you some of the features of the Liberty store and of this applique, the golden weather vane that sits atop the store is of a ship, because the store was actually made up of the timbers of HMS Hindustan and HMS Impregnable. Makes up all these Tudor style timbers in the whole store. So it's kind of nice reuse, recycle way of using timber. We've got the entrance with the flowers. It's not actually symmetrical, so we've kind of remained faithful to the two different sides of Liberty. That's how it is on Argyle Street. I absolutely love this collection. I'm really thrilled about this print in particular. I think it's so joyous. This is called Tudor Dream. I'm wondering about making a dress in it. Do you think it's overkill? I don't know. I think I quite like it. It's just fun. It would make people smile, wouldn't it? So it's been used before on this fun jigsaw, and you can really see the detail in here. Like there's rainbows in the window, just sun, happy vibes. So it comes in 3 different colorways. This print is super fun, really nice watercolor of like London landmarks, Houses of Parliament. Went there for the first time the other day. Super interesting. You can walk into the House of Commons any time of the day or week, which is amazing. It's a little swan, London Baths, London Eye, Tower Bridge, also fun to visit. This is Tudor Dreams in the blue, in a nice pink colourway, which kind of brings out different parts when you see it. I'm seeing much more the flowers in this one because they're pink. This one's fun. Kind of reminds me of a bit of a Grayson Perry map. It's not Grayson, but it's his kind of style. Absolutely love it. It's a map of London. This one's fun. I think this one was possibly done in Japan before with Hello Kitty. Sad times we haven't got Hello Kitty on, but it's got the gherkin and all sorts of other things. Tudor Dreams in this hot pink colourway. Maybe this is the dress colourway for me. Yeah, I'm getting really nice vibes from this. This is really nice and fun. And then we've got a Union Jack print, which reminds me of a quilt that was in the V&A when they did the quilt exhibition with many Liberty Union Jacks.